In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, creating an estimate is a fundamental skill that can streamline your workflow and enhance client communication. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, when you're logged into QuickBooks Online, look to the top left of your dashboard for the New button. This is your starting point for many tasks, including estimates. Clicking New will present a drop-down menu. Simply select Estimate from this list. Selecting Estimate opens up a new window where you'll begin entering all pertinent details. Now, let's focus on filling out the necessary details of the estimate. Begin with the customer information. If the customer is already in your system, you'll find it easy to autofill some details. However, if they're new, you'll need to input their name and relevant billing and shipping information. You'll notice a panel on the right side of the window allows you to add or remove fields. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor the estimate precisely to the current transaction, including any specific details the customer requires. Another feature available to you at this stage is the ability to add discounts. Whether you're offering a percentage off or a flat dollar reduction, QuickBooks makes this a seamless part of your estimate creation. Simply locate the discount option in the menu and enter the necessary details. It's a small step that can significantly impact customer satisfaction. Moreover, you have the option to change the design of your estimate. The right panel gives you the ability to tweak the visual aspects of your document. Whether it's adding your company logo or adjusting the layout, customizing your estimate helps reinforce your brand's identity and makes your documents look professional and polished. Next, you'll move on to adding your products and services. Start typing in the name of the product or service in the designated fields, and if it's a repeat item, QuickBooks will help auto-suggest options to speed up the process. Ensure you review the pricing and item descriptions to make the estimate as accurate as possible. Once all necessary information has been entered, you're ready to take the last step, which is reviewing and sending the estimate. This review stage is crucial as it allows you to double-check for accuracy and completeness, ensuring there are no errors or omissions. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, hit Review and Send. QuickBooks will guide you through the email options, allowing you to send the estimate directly to your customer. It's a streamlined process, ensuring transparency and quick client communication. And there you have it. Creating an estimate in QuickBooks Online is straightforward, allowing you to conduct business efficiently and professionally. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you now feel confident creating estimates in QuickBooks. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, where I'll guide you through the ins and outs of mastering QuickBooks Online.